Odoo Website Builder Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Odoo Website Builder is a powerful, user-friendly tool designed for businesses and individuals who want to create a professional website quickly and efficiently without coding knowledge. The platform integrates seamlessly with Odoo's suite of business applications, offering a one-stop solution for building and managing a website alongside your CRM, inventory, e-commerce, and accounting needs. One of the key features of the Odoo Website Builder is its drag-and-drop interface, which simplifies the design process, allowing users to customize templates, add multimedia elements, and create a fully responsive site with ease. It also offers a wide range of pre-designed templates that cater to various industries, making it versatile for users with different needs. Odoo's integration with other Odoo apps is a major strength, enabling seamless workflows between your website and other business functions like inventory management, customer relations, and marketing. For those running e-commerce stores, the platform offers robust e-commerce tools such as product management, order tracking, and payment gateways. Furthermore, Odoo supports multilingual sites, making it an excellent choice for businesses targeting global audiences. However, while Odoo Website Builder excels in ease of use, its customization options can feel a bit limited compared to other dedicated website builders like WordPress or Wix. The templates are relatively basic and may not meet the needs of highly complex, unique designs. Additionally, pricing can become an issue as the full range of features requires a paid Odoo subscription, which might not be cost-effective for small businesses with minimal needs. Another drawback is the learning curve related to Odoo's wider ecosystem. While the website builder itself is simple, users new to Odoo's suite of applications may find it overwhelming to navigate through the various modules. In conclusion, Odoo Website Builder is an excellent choice for businesses already using or planning to use Odoo's ecosystem. It's ideal for creating simple yet professional websites, especially if you require integrated business tools. However, for users looking for extensive design freedom or a standalone website builder with more flexibility, it might not be the best fit.